Now, our eco project is going to be a collaborative project. Collaborative means that we're going to work together as a whole class to create a piece of artwork. So I'm going to show you how you can find out which part of the octopus picture you are going to be doing in the lesson. So what I'm going to do is I've come to my Firefly page, and what I would like you to do to find out is scroll down the page, and you will get to the picture of the octopus. And if you notice, it has got it's got a grid on it, and it's also got numbers. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and it goes all the way up to 20. Now, every single person in your class is going to have their own square to paint and collage, okay? So this is so we need to find out now which is your square. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll up the page, and if you notice, there are some class lists. Now I'm going to pretend that I am Mana in 3M. So what I need to do, if I want to find out which square I'm doing, I need to click on 3M, and it will take me to this list. And what I need to do is I need to look down the list until I find my name. Oh, there we are, Mana. And I'm going to be doing square number 11. So keep that in your head. Then you can go back to the octopus. Let me go back to the octopus. Go back to the octopus, and I'm finding square number 11. So Mana will be completing this square. Okay, so that's how you find out. If you're doing this at home, that's how you will find out which square you will complete in the collaborative project. Okay, good luck.